funny engine noise in the background. I got my earbuds in too. That's the reciprocating saw. I call it a sawzall with a bimetal blade on there. Now the job is painting that window up there. What I had to do is cut the panel out over here so I could get the ladder up to that one up there, and I still haven't got to the top of that one yet up there, very top, so I don't know what we're going to do about that yet. So this one is next. I've cut one side already, and then I'm going to cut the other. Now the first one fell apart, so this time I put 3 screws in that side, and I was just looking at this one to see how rotten it is, if I need to do screws. So I think I'll cut it first and then put some screws in it if I have to before I shift it. Then I have to build a barricade over here because we got some youngins in this neighborhood, so that'll work out pretty good. Okay, so that's the plan. Oh, I'll show you what I do. You look for a gap in there, someplace to get it in between, and just you don't want to be hitting a bunch of wood, cutting the boards, so you okay. When I took this panel out a minute ago, the other one fell apart and I had to repair it. What made it easy was I had a bunch of nails sticking out, and I just took that grinder, my mini grinder there, and it was this piece, here. This is the one where is it? It's on this other one over here. I repaired it. A bit of rotten at the top, but the nails were sticking out on one side, so I just took that grinder and cut them off. Made life a lot easier. And then I used some green grip fix, whatever that is, all the green stuff. So now I'll just get this thing out of here, put it over there for the second part of the barricade, and get the ladder up, see what we got. Oh, then there's that gutter that wants work up there too. Huh, interesting. Okay.